recording button. Double tap to activate.
The old friendly, familiar gurgle, sputter, and purr of the pet coffee maker. Ah, yes. Oh, just happy. All you got to do is feed it. Give it a little water. Push the button once in a while. So happy to produce your friendly cup. Here, we have these special custom containers from my granny's endeavors with the food, so I can know which is which. Changed dark roast and regular ground medium roast. They can stack next to the pet coffee maker, keeping it company in the blind guy's kitchen. A blind guy's kitchen.